Today we're looking at the new release MGC 5x5. This reminds me of the 6x6. Same box. I don't think I have to introduce anything else, so let's just get to the cube. So this is the MGC 5x5. I've tried one in competition, so the cube is pretty nice. It's just too fast for me, so I'm just gonna try my setup to slow it down. Alright, so first turns. Okay, it's very smooth and very quick. Alright, so out of the box it already feels better than my main, the Ultra and GTSM. It's more compact and less bubbly compared to the Ultra, so I think this has potential to be my main. And this cube is in a very loose condition, so I might need to tighten it and slow the cube down to maximize its potential. But right out of the box is a very nice cube, and I highly recommend getting this because I think it's the cheapest 5x5 flagship on the market right now, so it's just very good. Like the 6x6 MGC, it's just very good, and the stickerless colors look so vibrant as well.